Learn how to replace the print head. Check that the power is turned on. Press the Setup button. Select Maintenance, then press the OK button. Select Start Replacement, then press the OK button. Open the scanning unit cover. Move the ink valve lever fully to the left. Do not touch the print head holder until it stops at the print head installation position. The following is an example for the black print head. Open the print head locking cover, then remove the print head to replace. Peel the protective tape off the new print head. Do not touch. Install the print head. Close the print head locking cover completely by pressing it down until you hear a click. Push in the joint buttons firmly until you hear a click. If red X, try locking firmly again. Move the ink valve lever fully to the right. Close the scanning unit cover. The procedure for replacing the print head is now complete.